Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and today, as it is the World Password Day, one of the things that a lot of services and companies want you to do is to remove the use of passwords and change them with what's called passkeys. A passkey is simply that instead of sending a password to the website you want to log in, it will simply use your device that you have. If you have a PIN, for example, it's going to use that PIN that you use to get into your PC. Or it will use the another way. It could be a fingerprint reader if you have one. It could be your Face ID with the cameras. But more and more, the way to sign in will be with passkeys. Even on smartphones now, a lot of apps will require you, instead of a password, to, for example, in my case, most of my bank apps now don't use passwords anymore. What they do is they use my fingerprint on my phone, which is a lot more secure than a password itself. And it's your device, so basically being accessed from somewhere else is making it very difficult. So today, don't be surprised if you try to log into a Microsoft account or your Google account or any other account like an Amazon account, and it's going to say, hey, you want to set up passkeys for future logins? And what it will do is you'll have a set of instructions on the screen. It's going to say, okay, well, what do you want to use as a passkey? And that will, in my case of my PC here, I log in with a PIN. So most of the accounts that do this now are just going to ask you for the PIN that I enter when I log into my account on the computer. So it removes the use of, complex passwords and all of that. And the way it works is it saves a token on your PC that is verifying that the machine you have is the machine that is logging to these accounts all the time. So it, first of all, verifies that it's you by checking the machine you're using. And then it verifies it's you because you are the one that knows the PIN. You're supposed to be the only one, technically. And this, of course, can repeat on other machines. This is a case where, I know a lot of people don't like that, but the case where a Microsoft account is fun because the passkeys will link together if you have more than one PC. So if you go on another device, it's going to say, oh, what's the PIN, so that you can log in. So if you log into your accounts today on Google, Gmail, on Microsoft account of any kind, Hotmail and Outlook, an Amazon account, Apple will do the same. Also, if you're using Apple devices, don't be surprised that they're asking you to sign with a passkey or to set up a passkey. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.